Fixing my car. A trip to the auto shop. This morning, my car wouldn't start. I turned the key, but nothing happened. I tried again, still nothing. It was cold outside, so maybe the battery was dead. I called the auto shop near my place. The guy on the phone said, "Yeah, sounds like a dead battery. You can bring it in." I waited for the tow truck for about 20 minutes. The driver was friendly and helped me move the car. When we got there, a mechanic came out and said, "Hey, don't worry, we'll check it out." He opened the hood, looked around, and said, "Yeah, the battery's done. You need a new one." I sat in the waiting area with a cup of coffee. There were a few people waiting too. I could hear tools and voices coming from the shop. It smelled like oil and rubber. I scrolled through my phone and just waited. About an hour later, the mechanic came back. "All done," he said. "You're good to go." I paid for the new battery and thanked him. When I started the car, the engine turned on right away. That sound was perfect. "Thanks a lot," I said. He smiled and said, "No problem. Drive safe." On the way home, I felt so relieved. When your car breaks, everything feels difficult. But when it's fixed, life suddenly feels easy again.
Thanks for listening to this story. See you in the next video.